Hello dear student, in class 7 exercise 2.1 question number 6, Sahil want to put a picture in a frame. Picture size is given 7 3/5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3/10 centimeter wide. Wide means width of the frame. How much picture should be trimmed? So in this question, the given information you have to note it down first. Here the picture width is, picture width they have given 7 3/5 centimeter wide. So picture width is this one, and the frame width is less. Frame width is, so what is the frame width? 7 3/10 centimeter. So according to the information, picture size is more and frame size is less. And how much picture should be trimmed? Trim means cut the outer portion so that picture will be placed properly in the frame. So how much picture should be trimmed? So for calculating this, we have to subtract the value. You have to use subtraction. Larger value minus the smaller value. Then whatever answer we are getting, that much picture should be trimmed. So the picture size is more than frame. So our formula will become trim size. Picture should be trimmed equals to picture width minus frame width. This is our formula. So what about the picture width? 7 3/5 minus, what about the frame? 7 3/10 centimeter. So it is in the mix. So we have to convert that mixed fraction, you have to convert into the 5. So we have converted that mixed one into the fraction. And minus here 70 plus 3 73/10. So it means here downside we want the same value. So 5 into 2 38 into 2 minus 73/10. So 5 into 2 means it is 10. 38 into 2 it is 76 minus 73/10 equals to 10. It is common. 76 minus 73. So answer is 3/10. Here denominator is greater. So it's a proper fraction. Okay. So you can directly write here trim. You can say here picture trim, picture size is 3/10. So here trim picture size is 3/10 centimeter. So this is the answer of this question, and I hope you understood this. Now we go into the next question. So next one is question number 7. Ritu ate 3/5 part of apple and the remaining apple was eaten by brother Somu. How much part of apple eaten by the Somu, who had the larger share, by how much? So here the given information is Ritu ate apple equals to 3/5. She ate 3/5 of apple. And what about Somu? How you will calculate? I tell you here one simple trick. 3/5 means, suppose we assume this is apple. So it is having 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5, Ritu ate 3 portion. So what about the remaining? So if Ritu ate 3/5, so Somu will be remaining part 2/5 should come. So this is the way. And how you will write here? While writing you can write Somu 8 apple equals 2. So here you do this complete apple means 1 minus 3 upon 5. So here you can make their LCM same, you can make their denominator same. For that here there is no value means downside 1. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 1. So multiply this value into 5. So 1 into 5, here also 1 into 5 minus 3 upon 5. So it is nothing but 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. 5 downside, 5 minus 3, it is 2 by 5. So here the Somu 8 apple is 2 upon 5. So here you can note down Somu 8 apple is 2 upon 5. So this is the share of Somu. Then what they have asked in the question, who had the larger share, by how much? So who had the larger share? So you can check the value. Somu 8 3 upon 5, sorry, Somu 8 2 upon 5 and Ritu 8 3 upon 5. So you have to compare this value. So compare which value? 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. You have to do comparison, then only we will get to know. And this 3 upon 5, as you know, this is the Ritu 8 this much, and this is Somu. For avoiding confusion, I am writing upside name. So how you will compare 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5? Which one is greater? 3 upon 5 greater than 2 upon 5. Because their denominators are same, so greater value will be greater. So it means Ritu 8 more than Somu. But how much they are asking? So what you will do? Suppose I tell you, you ate 5 apple, okay, and your brother ate 2. So here you have to do subtraction and answer will come 3, means you ate 3 more than your brother or whatever it is. So for doing this you have to do here subtraction. So they are asking by how much. So here 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So here answer is 1 by 5. 5 downside, 3 minus 2 is 1. So by how much means you can say here Ritu 8 more share of apple by 1 by 5. So Ritu 8 more share of apple by 1 by 5. So this is the answer of this question, and I hope you understood. Now we are going into next question. In next question, question number 8, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 upon 12 hours. Vaibhav finished the same picture in 3 upon 4 hours. Who worked longer and by what fraction they are asking. So given information I noted down. Michael finished coloring in 7 upon 12 hours, and where the Vaibhav finished same picture in 3 upon 4 hours. So here the question they ask, who worked longer, means you have to compare two value. Compare 7 upon 12 and 3 upon 4 hours. So how you will compare? You make their denominators same. So for that what you will do? You have to calculate LCM. LCM of 4 and 12 is, greater value is 12, which is divisible by 4. So the LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. So first value is already 7 upon 12. Second value you will take 3 upon 4. So for getting 12 downside, it is 4 into 3 and upside 3 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12 and 3 into 3 is 9. So the value is 9 upon 10. Where the first value was 7 upon 12 and the second value was 9 upon 12. So as denominators are same, 9 upon 12 is a greater value. So 9 upon 12, this value we have taken from 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 are, it is representing to the Vaibhav finish coloring. So you can say here Vaibhav finish color. So as 9/12, this is the greater value. Greater value means Vaibhav taking more time for finish the same picture. You can write here Vaibhav took more time to finish coloring equals to time taken by Vaibhav is how much? 9/12. So Vaibhav took more time to finish coloring and the time is 9/12. That is, there is no need to write that. They are just asked who took the more time and by how much. So how much means you have to take their difference. So what their value? 7/12 and 9/12. So you have to subtract larger value into smaller. So it is 9/12 minus 7/12. It is nothing but 9 minus 7, 2/12. 2/12 means it is nothing but 1/6 because 2 into 6 is 12. So you can say Vaibhav took 1/6 hour more than whom? More than Michael. So Vaibhav took 1/6 hour more than Michael. So in this question again I revise you. First you make their denominators same and after that you can easily compare the values. So compare value. 9/12 is more. So 9/12 is nothing but 3/4. So it means the Vaibhav took more time and by how much? For that we have done subtraction. So Vaibhav took 1/6 hour more than Michael. So this is the answer of question number 8 and I hope you understood this exercise. Thanks for watching. Thank you.